Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to wrap text in Canva. So if you guys didn't know, there is new apps on Canva that can be used to create a warp text. So what you need to do is just open your design, then click on the plus icon, find the apps option, then in here click on the search column and search for typecraft, this one. So these apps on Canva will allow you to create a warp text. Click on the apps, wait for it to load, and in here you can just start by typing the text that you want. Okay, for example like this. Then choose the phone. You can choose your favorite phone in here. Okay, then choose the style and the color. Okay, for example like this. And after that you can just playing with the dots on the word to create the warp text that you want. You can create any shape here, just drag it like this and it will become a wrap text just like that. And when you want to reset, you can just click on reset shape, but if you want to save it, you can just click on element, add element to design, and you are done. You can see the text is now has been added to your design just like this. And to add another one, you can just find the typecraft again and create another wrap text. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.